Guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of highlights on Magic Tiles 3. To know how to fix or how to solve highlights on Magic Tiles 3 app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window or to the app of Magic Tiles 3 and you will enter here. After that, you can click on first app and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.